Oh yes, they stay on the tree when they're green, but they fall off when they're yellow. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right, Katie. Good job.
Guess what? Today is, Katie, it's a new month. It's the month of September.
And guess what's happening on the 3rd of September, David? Your wife said, and I can't believe it, 8 years?
Yep.
8 years! It's your mommy and daddy's wedding anniversary. They got married 8 years ago. There was no Katie, there was no Susan. There were just Daddy and Mommy.
Getting a little heavy duty.
Granny Bill and
There
Aunt
was
Liz
never
were
a
there.
time before Katie.
I don't think so.
Granny Bill and Aunt Liz were there. They were at her wedding.
Oh, yes. Did she ever look at your wedding book, Mommy?
No, would you like to do that?
Oh, imagine seeing Mommy and Daddy on their wedding day.
I actually know where it is.
You don't even know where?
No, I do know where it is.
Oh, you do? Oh,
Would you
that
like
would
to
be
do that, Katie?
fun.
You know, I'd kind of like to see that.
That's great. You even have video too.
Wow.
You have a video, too. I bet that would be even more appealing than the book.